So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use Google Pay on your particular Galaxy Watch. Now, doing this is very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all, but it starts off with us actually downloading Google Wallet from our Google Play Store on our particular watch. So all we're going to want to do is you want to go and load up our particular page right here, like our little app library, and you want to click on the Google Play Store that's at the very bottom right here. So open up the Play Store, and all we're going to want to do is search for the Google Wallet application. So click on the search bar, you can click right here, and you can go and search up Google just like so, if I can type it in right. So I'll do Google, and then I'll do Google Pay. You can do Google Pay or Google Wallet, either one, it's going to show up the same thing. And although it's a small display, it actually does kind of work pretty well with typing. So now you can see Google Wallet, and this is the application that basically comes up. So now all you have to do is tap on a Google Wallet, and you want to go ahead and install it. So that's basically the big thing. All you want to do is install it. Now I'd recommend going through and actually adding the credit cards and everything through your particular phone, because that's kind of the only way to do it. So now when it's installed and everything, you can go and click on open, and now it's going to bring you through your particular options. Now, number one, you have to have a screen lock in order to use Google Pay. So that's number one. I'm hoping you already have a screen lock enabled. If you don't, then make sure you enable that. Now after that, once you go and set up a screen lock, whenever you want to go and pay within Google Wallet, you have the option of either, you can use Samsung Pay if you want to, or you can just open up your Google Pay application or Google Wallet application. You can find the card that you want, and then you can go and click on it, type in your screen code, and then you can pay via your particular, application, your particular watch. So that's how it's done. It's a pretty basic process for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hope I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.